Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we will see how to make a lightweight grow bag at home. Let's check that out. Alright, so here we have canvas, हिंदी में इसको तरपाल बोलते हैं, and I have cut a piece of this, and this will be turned like this, and this entire will make a grow bag at home. But before we do that, we will make use of sewing machine and stitch that out. How we are going to stitch it is we are going to turn this, and we will do 2 or 3 depending on your need and the carry. We will do stitch here for the entire upper side. Alright guys, so this is sewing machine. If you do not have any, it's best to go to a tailor and get this sewed up. So this is canvas tarpaulin, tarpal, and this is white color. So I'm going to make a video while this will be getting stitched by father. Let's do that. As you can see, it is getting stitched. This is white. We are going with just one stitch, and this is getting stitched here. So this is folded, if you see it is folded, and this is getting stitched, and you can see. Alright, so this is getting closed. This is stitched, this is open from here, and this is stitched. These are closed, and this is the bottom, and this is closed. And let's see, so this is a single stitch. We are going to do the double now for extra safety and strength. So we are doing the double stitch for extra strength. It's best to do that, and we'll show you when it gets completed. Alright ladies and gentlemen, this is stitched from here. This is the base which is sealed, this is the side which is sealed, and this is open. So if you see, this is the grow bag. So now we are going to fold these and these manually by hand, and going to make the corners into a triangle one. So this is a triangle, and we are going to put a stitch over here. Okay, so these corners are stitched, as you can see. It is getting to the shape. Now we are going to fold this, turn this around, and this would be our final bag. Let's see that. So as you can see, we are drilling holes in here, and this is 1, 2, 3, and on the other side 1, 2, 3, so that the extra water can pour out. Make sure you do that. Alright everyone, this is fantastic grow bag which we were talking about, and you can see the holes which we just did, and this is the triangle, and you can pour in some soil and sand and grow your plants like this. Thank you for watching.